morning Year 5 and happy Tuesday. Welcome to another day of home learning. We'll be ringing you a little bit later on, so look out for that call. Remember, it comes from a block number, so yeah, get your parents to make sure they're looking out for that call and that they're ready to pick up the phone so we can speak to you. Your maths today is still angles, so all this week we're going to be looking at angles. Now, yesterday you had a reminder on the difference between a right angle, an acute angle and an obtuse angle. And today you're going to be building on that knowledge, so using your knowledge of those three types of angles to compare and order those angles. Now, when we compare and order, there's sometimes some vocabulary that trips you up in there. So I'm just going to remind you of some of the words that you might come across, give you a little reminder about the angles and things that come with those, and then leave you to it. So it's not going to be very long today, so watch till the end and then get started with your math straight away so that it's fresh in the brain. So sometimes when you're ordering things, numbers, angles, decimals, percentages, fractions, all of those, you might come across the word ascending and descending. Now, descending, you go down, okay? So you start from the biggest and get to the smallest. You go down for descending. So ascending is going up. So you start with the smallest and end up with the biggest one. So you're going to come across those words today. So remember that ascending, you're starting with the smallest and going up to the biggest, and descending, other way around. So biggest down to the smallest. Those are the two main words that sometimes we just get a bit muddled and we put round the wrong way. It makes your answers wrong if you've done them round the wrong way. You'll also have the word greatest in your sheet today, and obviously you know what that word means. It means the biggest one, okay? So you will come across acute, obtuse and right angles again today. Now remember that acute is the smallest one. A right angle is 90 degrees and an obtuse angle is anything that's greater than a right angle. Okay, so an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is... Here's what I found. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees and a right angle is always 90 degrees. The only other word that might come up today that some of you, when I used in my classroom, I'm not sure about our class, but some of us in Dove were a bit confused by the word quadrilateral. Now, a quadrilateral is a four-sided shape, so square, rectangle, or any irregular shape that has got four sides. So don't worry too much about that. You should know that word, but just like a triangle's got three sides, a quadrilateral, quad means four, so quadrilateral has got four sides. Other than that, you should be absolutely fine with your sheet today. It's a lot of ordering and comparing different angles. Now, you do not need to measure them, okay? The whole point of these activities, yesterday and today, is to be able to identify them using your eyes. So knowing what is 90 degrees, what is a right angle, and which angles are bigger and smaller just by looking at them. So you don't need a protractor, you don't need to be measuring these angles. This is all done by your sight, looking at them and thinking, oh, is that bigger than 90 degrees, smaller than, or the same as? Okay? So make sure you answer all the questions. There's 8 questions today, so not very many. Won't take you very long. And make sure you've also marked your work from yesterday, because that knowledge will help you with your work today. Good luck, and I'll speak to you later.